This video series playlist will walk you through Intellihot's startup procedures for the wall-hung units. There are 11 videos in total that will cover each step of the process. Let's begin with intake and exhaust piping. First, locate section 7.6 of the Installation and Operation Manual. The table in this section lays out the maximum run lengths for the intake and exhaust piping based on the diameter of the piping and the number of the units vented. It is important to make sure that the installation has not exceeded the maximum run length based on the pipe diameter. Note that each 45-degree elbow adds 2 feet to the equivalent length calculation, and each 90-degree elbow adds 5 feet to the equivalent length calculation. If the installation is a one-pipe system, which means the unit is taking combustion air from the room rather than using an intake pipe, reference section 7.5 of the manual for the required opening sizes for the combustion and ventilation air. It is important to adhere to these requirements, as these values will directly affect the combustion process. Next, verify that the terminations for the exhaust and intake piping are appropriately spaced. Section 7.3 of the manual details the necessary distances that the intake and exhaust terminations need to be from each other. Check the intake air termination to make sure a bird screen has been installed. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to product support.